Currently still in Kansas. Long ride this morning. So we've ridden 150 miles. And it's been nothing but cornfields, cows, wind turbines, a hell of a lot of wind. So but about another 145 left to go before we hit the Colorado state line. Got off of I-70 in Lehman, Colorado, and now we're gonna, I think it's Route 24, we're gonna take it for about 70 miles, and then we'll end up in Colorado Springs, get some lunch there. If it was the kids' objectives to run the adults away, they have succeeded, at least with me. I can't handle screaming. So you made it to the St. Louis Arch on the bike.